In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your FAM card for purchases on Amazon. Now, while Fampay itself isn't directly available as a payment method on Amazon, you can still use your FAM card indirectly by adding it to your Amazon Pay balance. I'll walk you through two simple methods for doing this. You'll either add your FAM card as a gift card to increase your Amazon Pay balance, or use the FAM card to transfer funds as a gift card balance. Let's dive into the details. First, let's look at how you can add your FAM card to your Amazon Pay balance. The initial step involves logging into your Amazon account. Begin by opening your preferred browser and navigating to Amazon.in. Or you can simply use the Amazon app on your smartphone if that's more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, go to the Account section where you'll find the Amazon Pay option. Select this and then choose the option to Add Gift Card. This is where your FAM card comes into play. You'll need to enter the gift card details here, which could be a gift card number or any other relevant information on your FAM card. Once you've successfully entered these details, the value of your FAM card will appear as an added amount in your Amazon Pay balance. It's as straightforward as it sounds. You can now see that the card value has been successfully transferred to your Amazon account, ready and waiting to be used for all your Amazon shopping needs. Next, let's utilize that Amazon Pay balance when you're ready to make a purchase. Go ahead and find the items you're interested in and add them to your cart. Once ready, navigate to checkout. When you're at the checkout page, you'll need to select Amazon Pay as your payment method. This ensures that your previous efforts of adding your FAM card to the Amazon Pay balance go to good use. The available balance that we just added using your FAM card will now be automatically applied to your purchase. This seamless transition allows you to enjoy the convenience and security of Amazon Pay while leveraging the funds from your FAM card. And that's all it takes. You've now learned how to transform your FAM card into a functional payment method on Amazon by using it to bolster your Amazon Pay balance. This process not only allows you to use your FAM card for online purchases, but also keeps your transactions smooth and efficient. I hope this tutorial has helped clarify how to navigate the use of your FAM card with Amazon, creating a seamless shopping experience. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy shopping!